Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Stella Fashion. How are you friends? I hope you are so well. Today's video about beautiful DP's collection about bridal's hand. You can choose the bridal's hand with mehendi and beautiful DP's collection in different style. You can watch video till end and choose the ideas and get the ideas for your poses, how you can pose your beautiful pictures and bridal hands, bridal photo shoots with hidden faces. If you like these ideas friends, then you appreciate me on my efforts by subscribing my channel, by liking my video and sharing my video with friends and family members. These are very amazing and very beautiful ideas I have bought for you. Friends, if you want videos and ideas about your choice, then you tell me in comment section. I will make a similar video and present it in front of you. You can easily watch videos and get ideas about your choice. And also friends, you can visit my channel and watch the videos about different DPs, ideas, different hidden faces, hijab girls and nature scene ideas. You can choose the beautiful DPs for your social accounts, WhatsApp, Instagram and different ideas. Tell me in comment section if you like these ideas. I am waiting your comments. Your comments is very important for me. Now friends, we meet in next video with different idea and different video. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Until then, take care. Goodbye.